Howdy, howdy, hey. How are you doing today? I'm the MoonFrog, and in this one, we're getting ready for mowing season. What a beautiful, beautiful day to break some stuff. All right, so today is the day we're gonna revive our off-road racing four-wheeler lawnmower thing. Yeah. Step one, unbury it. Protective cover. So, for those of you who might be wondering, this is a Yamaha 350. It used to be a big bear at one point, but now it's a little cub. We have our toe pedal right here, and then we have our high-low reverse right here. Then we have a big motor. That's our electrical section, perfectly managed. And then we have our play stick. Gosh darn, I think everything still moves. This is looking good, boys. So, why did I park it? If I remember correctly, I never really finished it. So all the frame, not fully welded. The axle, not fully attached. Suspension, it's hanging in there. It was still running when I parked it. So, what do we have to do to revive it now? Well, I had made this really cool whiskey bottle gas tank, and as you can see, well, the cork broke, and it let water in. Over winter, it expanded, broke the bottle. So that's no good for fuel, and there's probably water in the system now. But that'll be fine. Now we just have to figure out another tank, make sure there's no water in the filter and stuff, and then it should fire right up, and then we should be able to go play in what's left of the snow. Hopefully get us stuck a couple times. But anyways, if we want to tear up the lawn, we're gonna have to get to work. Do I have a... I need a fuel tank. Spotted this. Which is the tank that came off the Big Bear. They used to have that engine. Oh, that's ugly. So that's too bad, because this was a neat little setup. But it has to come off. Oh yeah, that's perfect. Mint. Put that there, that's a relic. Harley. Right, so if we put this here, then we turn this like back here. You know what I mean? Technically right there. Yeah, no, not really. Well, JB Weld was strong. Oh yes. Now we know for a fact that fuel line is perfectly done. Shit. Alright. Alright. We'll come off the filter. Get off of there. Oh man. We are going to be filled with these by the end of the day. Now if this fucking hose could just come the fuck off of there. Oh. Ooh, I was hoping this was gonna be a no tool revival, but I think we're gonna need some tools. All right, so I got some good news and I got some bad news. Good news, we got some fuel line. Bad news, we don't have fuel. I thought I had gas in my can, but I don't. So for now, let's get this on there, and yeah. All right, so now we have the line done, the filter's in there, looks a lot better than what it did. Now, how are we gonna hold that down? Be real nice dropping it into a tire. Oh, right. Now, if we just put that in place, you know, something like this, maybe. Can we put it into somewhere? Here, can go in here. That would work. Probably not. Maybe. I don't know. And this down here somewhere. Maybe. I don't know. Where the fuck? Get in there. Get in there. Well, that's it for a girl. Oh yeah, that's perfect. Holy. Pretty sure even a tornado couldn't take that off. That's, yeah. I might put another one on there. Keep that for later. Oh, any more tension on that one. Yeah. See, that stops it from going forward. That stops it from going backwards. Just have like a safe amount of play. Perfect. Now I could put hose clamps on there, but what's the fun in that? Now if it leaks, we have something else to fix. Woohoo! Right. So about the no gas situation, here's how that's gonna go. Scott, if you see this, I owe you a little bit of gas. Now let's go get that mower running. Right here. Yeah. Now, do we have leaks? Oh yeah. Okay. Well, that's what I was talking about earlier. Now we have one more thing to fix. I guess I'm gonna go find some clamps. Mint. All right, so not real pretty, Kind of leaks on the valve here. We'll just ignore that. It's going to clean off this area. And yeah, she's about ready to fire up. Or to try to fire up at least. No promises, but we can always try. Oh yeah, let's not forget our fancy fancy mounting point. Oh, where's the key for this? We will be right back after I find that key. Found the key, and now I think we're ready. Oh, all right. Oh, frozen. Okay. Choke me, daddy. I hear you. Now let's see if you want to do something. Oh shit, we just met compression stroke. All right, let's try this. Oh fuck, that's compression again. Yeah, I forgot how solid she was with a cranker. Holy tits. Do I even have the gas on? Nope. Fucking idiot. Let's try that again. Alright, so I'm gonna give it a couple more tries, but by the looks of it, our carb's gonna need a little loving. Whatever, she might still start. All right, so now we know it starts. Will it move? Let's find out. Just gonna move this thing out the way. That should be fine. Make sure this works. It should be fine. Oh, I forgot my cushion. There we have it. The official off-road mower seat. It's actually memory foam, so it's real comfy. You'd be surprised how luxurious this is. Check this out. Woo-hoo-hoo. How fancy. Oh hell yeah. Turn that back on, turn that back on, and then turn this back on. Yeah, baby. Woo! Broke it already. Oh shit. Well, shit. shut that off before we lose all our gas. I think this might be one of those stories that ended too fast. Ah, shit. So from what I guess is the front wheels were too frozen up in the ice and the rear end just kind of whoop. Because like I said, this was not finish welded and most of it is just tacked in place. Yep. What a beautiful, beautiful day to break some stuff. So, get out of the sun. If you can see there, that big gap, well, it wasn't there before. So this cross piece is actually working as a cross member to bolt up a shock. If you can see in here, there is no shock. So that bar down there is just stopping the rear end from coming up and hitting me in the bunghole.
You can take me, but you cannot take my bunghole. I am the great cornholio.
And when you think about it, the way this sheared off, if it would have just pushed a little more that way, it would have came right through that super luxurious cushion I have. So yeah, I guess we're lucky. But we're not that lucky because we didn't get it out of here. Would you like to see another video about this where it actually runs and drives and where we fix our mistakes? If so, hit that like button and let me know in the comments. If we ever make another video about this, we're definitely going to fix up this rear suspension and make something a little more sturdy, a little more safe, so I don't risk don't really want to lose my manhood to a lawnmower. So yeah, this was the stupid mower revival. It's alive, but it's also kind of dead at the same time. If you want to see it being revived again, let me know in the comments. But till next time, go out, be rad.